Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm gonna be showing you my natural hair wash routine using the As I Am hairline products. I'm gonna be showing you guys from start to finish, where I am taking out my braids until the end where I'm moisturizing my hair with the As I Am hair cream. So whenever I'm taking out my braids, I like to use some scissors to cut it because it just makes it easier to take down and to detangle. Using the end of a rat tail comb also helps to comb out the braid faster, especially when the ends are a lot smaller for your fingers to try and undo. This braid takedown process can take so long sometimes. That's why it's best to I try to listen to music or watch shows while I'm doing it, just so I don't get bored really, and then the time flies by so quickly when I'm doing that. Okay, so now for the hair wash part of the video. So after I finish wetting my hair, I'm gonna start by using the As I Am shampoo. This shampoo is really nice. I like how clean it made my hair and scalp feel. As a cleanser, I think it did a really good job. Now I'm just going back in with the As I Am shampoo just to make sure my hair is squeaky clean, fresh and nice. Now I'm just using the As I Am conditioner. So this conditioner is, it's good. I think it does what it's supposed to do, but it's not the best conditioner I've ever tried. But I mean, for someone with type 4 hair, it's thick enough, it's good, it will soften your hair, but as I said, just it's not the best one out there. The good thing though is that so many of these As I Am products, they're so affordable, like really cheap. You can get them for under £10. So for like college students or maybe younger people, it's definitely a good buy, good deal. It will do what it's supposed to do, as I said, especially for people with type 4 hair who have thicker or more coarse hair. It will definitely help a lot. So next I'm using the As I Am Hydration Elation Deep Conditioner, and this deep conditioner I really like because of the consistency is so thick, and as I said, that is even more beneficial for people with type 4 hair who may need thicker conditioners for their hair. So this one I really like. I think it suits natural type 4 hair really well. It does the job and it does make your hair feel really soft and refreshed. So after I'm done putting the deep conditioner into my hair, I like to just leave it for 15 to 20 minutes so that the deep conditioner can actually do its job. I stopped leaving it in for too long, let's say for example overnight, because I really don't like the idea of getting up in the morning and remembering that I am still not done with my wash day or my wash day routine. Like yeah, it gets to a point. So I only do it for about 15-20 minutes and that's about it. Okay, so I like to start by using my castor oil. I actually practice using the LOC method, which is liquid, oil, and then cream. I like using the oil before the cream because I feel it just helps to lock in the moisture better than the cream would, because it is an oil, so it would definitely trap in moisture. But ultimately I'm not sure if it really matters, because at the end of the day you're gonna have a mixture of oil, cream, and water on your hair strands. I don't know if it really matters, but this is what I practice. So here I am using another product from the line, which is the As I Am Double Butter Cream. So yet again, I really like this product because of how thick it is, and that type of thickness and consistency is really good for my type 4 hair. Really thick, so it does help to seal in the moisture. You know, type 4 hair can get really dry very quickly, so this creamy butter can definitely help. Well, yeah, it does help a lot with this issue, and that's why I really like it. The smell of these hair products are that of like a bubblegum scent, which I'm not really a fan of. It's okay, not bad, but I just don't like the smell as much. It is also kind of strong, but it does wear away after a few days, so that's okay. But yeah, the bubblegum flavor or the bubblegum scent, I'm not really into. Okay, so after I finished using all the creams and oils in my hair, I used a plastic bag to cover my hair just to prevent all of these oils and creams from seeping into my sheets and into my pillows, because that can cause acne on your skin. So yeah, but anyways guys, thank you for coming to my video. I hope you enjoyed, and deuces.